Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. It's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm about to tackle all this mess right here. I looked at it last night, and I was just like, I get in the morning. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and bring y'all along with me to give y'all a little cleaning motivation this Saturday morning. So I hope y'all are ready for it. Let's hop into it. So all I'm doing right here, you all, is getting ready to take this trash bag and clean the trash that's on the countertops off. And then after that, we're going to dive right into me cleaning my dishes. And so again, happy Saturday. I hope everyone had an amazing Saturday so far and your weekend is going pretty good. Mine is going great as well, just relaxing. And just like I said in the intro, I looked at these dishes the night before and I'm just like, I'm too tired. I'll handle it first thing in the morning. And that's what I did. I hopped up at like 6:30 in the morning and just went straight into it and decided to take you all along with me for the ride. And all I'm doing right here is just, if you've been here before, I normally wash off my dishes first before I add them into the dishwasher. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking my sponge and a little dish soap and just giving a quick scrub and then throwing it into the dishwasher.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own two eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. motivation, no more patience. Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. One for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the
So,
chances you
what's
had.
everyone's plans for this weekend? Do you plan on like having a family fun day outside or inside, movies with the kids, or even just simple as going to church on Sunday? Comment down below in the comments and let me know what's your plan for the weekend. And as y'all can see right here, I had just grabbed the broom. I seen a spider, and if you don't know, now you know I do not like spiders. So I had to get rid of that bad boy real quick.
Oh, you find it funny, flying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. Cause tonight I'm going out, work it out with a few drinks. 1 for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the drama you caused. 2 for the number of draws I fell. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Won't take no more.
So hopefully I can have this video for you all by Sunday. If not, you would definitely see it on Monday, depending on how fast the internet works for me. You know how the internet can go, but you would definitely see this video pretty soon.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it.
And once I am done here wiping down the sink, making sure it's dried out pretty good, we're gonna head on over and start sweeping the floor and getting it ready to end this video here. So hopefully so far you all have enjoyed today's video. I really appreciate you all tuning in, and to my new subscribers, welcome. We're on the road to 1,000. I'm at 980 right now, so we're not far away, and I do appreciate anyone who has been sharing out my video and letting people know to head on over to my channel and check me out. I appreciate you all, and catch you all in the next video. Take care, guys.
Don't add up, even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay nighttime.